Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make an herb bundle while you're sauteing vegetables. So, in other videos I've showed you how to use fresh rosemary and use fresh thyme, get them off the stems and stalks and everything else. But sometimes I'm lazy. So what I do instead is take a sprig of thyme and a sprig of rosemary, stack them together, tie them with a little kitchen twine, and this is all ready to add into sauteing onions. Let me show you. So from here, you can throw that into your onions. That will infuse the onions, that will infuse the olive oil, if you're using butter. And then when you're done cooking everything, it's very easy to take the bundle right out. Some of the little leaves will have fallen into the cooking, and voila, instant flavor. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Head over to marcsievers.com where you can get more recipes, entertaining ideas, and learn about my books. Until next time, bye guys.